Hey guys, welcome back to Error Math. Hope you all are studying well. In the previous video, we have seen elementary transformation and how to find inverse of a matrix using elementary transformation. So in this video, we are going to solve exercise 3.4 based on these two topics. And if you have missed any of the previous topics, the link is in the description. You can check those videos first and then come to this video. So let us start with exercise 3.4. Now in this exercise, we have to find inverse of each of the matrices using elementary transformation. So we have seen 6 transformations, 3 for rows and 3 for columns, by which we can find inverse of a matrix. So let us solve the first question. Let us take this 2 by 2 matrix as A, and we know that A is equals to I into A, where I is an identity matrix of order 2. So to find inverse of this A matrix, we will write the identity matrix and A matrix in this format, and we will transform this A matrix into an identity matrix by using elementary transformations, and the same transformation we will use on this identity matrix. और जब हमारा A matrix identity matrix में convert हो जाएगा and same operations अगर हम लोग identity matrix में भी करेंगे, then this identity matrix will become our A inverse. So let us transform this matrix into an identity matrix. First of all, we want this element to be 1. तो ये already 1 है, and we have to make this element 0 by using this one. So what will be the transformation? हमें रो 2 में ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. So transforming R2 which is 2 minus 2 into 1 अगर हम करेंगे तो it will be 0. So the transformation will be R2 minus 2R1. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सिर्फ रो 2 में हो रहा है. So रो 1 we will write as it is in both the matrix. ये एलिमेंट तो 0 हो गया. Same we have to do for this element, which will be R2, which is 3 minus 2 into corresponding element of R1, which is minus 1, which will be 3 minus of minus 2, which is 3 plus 2. This element becomes 5. So in this matrix, same operation हम करेंगे second row के लिए, which is R2, which is 0 minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2, and 1 minus 0 will be 1. So this is the transformation. हमने इस एलिमेंट का यूज करके इसको 0 कर लिया. Same operation we have done in this identity matrix. Now to make this matrix as an identity matrix, we have to transform this element into 1. तो simply हम लोग 5 को divide करेंगे. 5 से तो ये 1 हो जाएगा. So the operation will be applying R2 as 1 by 5 R2. तो उसको divide करेंगे हम लोग 5 से. So this will be 1, and similarly इस matrix में भी row 2 को 5 से divide करेंगे. And for the last transformation, we have to make this element as 0. तो हमारा ये matrix identity matrix में transform हो जाएगा. We'll simply add this row with row 2. So minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. So applying R1 plus R2, ये 0 हो जाएगा. Similarly, ये as it is होगा because 0 plus 1 is 1. And for this matrix, it will be 1 minus 2 by 5, which is 3 by 5. And 0 plus 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. So we have transformed this A into identity matrix. And by expression of inverse of a matrix, this matrix is our A inverse. So this is how we find inverse of a matrix using elementary transformations. We can do both by row or column transformation. Now you can pause this video to note this down. In the second problem, let us take this matrix as A, and after writing in this format, first we have to make this element 1. So we'll subtract this 1 from 2. So the transformation will be R1 minus R2. So this will be 2 minus 1, 1, and 1 minus 1, 0. Similarly, here also 1 minus 0 is 1, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. तो अब ये 1 के साथ में ये भी 0 हो गया. Now by using 1, we have to make this element as 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the transformation will be R2 minus R1. So this will be 0, and for this matrix, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1, which is 2. तो identity matrix में ये transform हो गया है. So our A inverse is 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 2. You can pause this video to note this down. Moving for the third problem, let us take this matrix as A and write in this format. So अब यहाँ पे first element हमारा 1 है already. We have to make this element 0 by using this 1. So the transformation will be R2 minus 2 into R1, which will be 2 minus 2 into 1, which is 2 minus 2, 0. Row 1 दोनों भी matrix में हम as it is लिखेंगे. And for this element, it will be 7 minus 2 into 3, which is 7 minus 6 is 1. For this matrix, 0 minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we have to make this element 0 by using this 1. The operation will be R1 minus 3R2. So this will be 0. And for this matrix, it will be 1 minus 3 into minus 2, which is 1 plus 6, 7, and 0 minus 3 into 1, which is minus 3. So this matrix has transformed into an identity matrix. So hence our A inverse is 7 minus 3 minus 2 and 1. You can pause the video to note this down. For the fourth problem, again we'll take this matrix as A and we'll write in this format. We have to make this element as 1. So our transformation will be, आप इस रो को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 1 आ जाएगा, लेकिन साथ में यहाँ पे 3/2 भी आएगा. तो फर्दर आप अगर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करोगे सो यू विल फाइंड इट क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू डू कैलकुलेशंस इन फ्रैक्शंस. आपका टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट विल डू इज, यहाँ पे 5 है, वी कैन डू 3 into 2 which is 6 and 6 minus 5 is 1. That means the transformation must be 3r1 minus r2 अगर हम करते हैं, so this will be 1. Similarly for this also, 3 into 3 which is 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Also for this matrix it is 3 into 1 3 minus 0 which is 3 and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. By using 1 we have to make this element 0. So transformation simple है, हमने कई बार किया है, which is r2 minus 5 r1. तो ये element हो जाएगा 0. And 7 minus 5 into 2 which is 10, that makes minus 3. Same transformation for this matrix, it will be 0 minus 3 into 5 which is minus 15 and 1 minus 5 into minus 1 is 6. Now we have to make this element as 1. We'll simply divide this row with minus 3. So this will be 1. अब यहाँ पे 0 है तो कोई fraction होगा नहीं. And dividing this row with minus 3, minus minus gets cancelled and 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, so this will be minus 2. And for the last element, the transformation will be r1 changes to r1 minus 2r2, so this element becomes 0. And for this matrix, 3 minus 2 into 5 10 which is minus 7 and minus 1 plus 4 is 3. So matrix A is now transformed into identity matrix. So our A inverse is minus 7 3 5 and minus 2. You can pause the video to note this down. So same as question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fifth question में भी same हमें inverse find करना है by using elementary transformation. Now fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to do these 5 question by yourself. 2/2 matrix है, आपको simply elementary transformation करना है जैसे हमने अब तक किया है. So 11th problem भी same है, row transformations करके इसका inverse निकालना है. I'll show you the answers. Try to solve the transformation by yourself. So moving for the 12th problem, let us take this matrix as A and after substituting the matrix it will be like this. So now here we'll first try to make this element as 0 और इसको 1 करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So let us try a transformation here which is r1 transforms to r1 plus 3r2 which is 6 minus 6 0 and minus 3 plus 3 is again 0. So हमने properties of inverse में देखा था that कोई रो अगर हमारा पूरा 0 हो जाता है by using elementary transformation, so therefore A inverse for that matrix does not exist. तो यहाँ पे हमारा ये पूरा रो 0 हो रहा है, so that means A inverse does not exist. You can pause the video to note this down. For the 13th problem, let us take this matrix as A and हमें इस element को 1 करना है. We'll simply add these two. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So the transformation must be r1 plus r2. So this becomes 1. And minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. And for this matrix also यहाँ पे तो 1 ही होगा. Plus 0 is 1. And here also it is 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. And for this element to be 0, simply हम इन दोनों को add करेंगे. 1 minus 1 0 हो जाएगा. So the transformation is r2 plus r1. This is 0. And minus 1 plus 2 is 1. For this matrix also same transformation, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. To make this 0, इन दोनों elements को हम लोग add करेंगे. The transformation becomes r1 में r1 plus r. So this element becomes 0. Same for this matrix. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 and 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So the matrix A is transformed into identity matrix. So therefore this matrix is our A inverse. You can pause the video to note this down. Moving for the 14th problem, we'll take this matrix as A and after substituting into A is equals to IA, it will be like this. अब यहाँ पे इसमें भी आप देख सकते हो that if we transform as R2 minus 2R1, it will be 4 minus 4 0 and 2 minus 2 0. So हमारे second row के सारे elements 0 हो रहे हैं. That means inverse for this matrix does not exist. अब यहाँ पे इनवर्स ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स एग्जिस्ट करता है या नहीं, इसको फाइंड करने के लिए वी हैव अनदर वे, दैट इज बाय यूजिंग डिटरमिनेंट्स मेथड. इसको हम देखेंगे इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर दैट हाउ टू फाइंड डिटरमिनेंट्स एंड हाउ वी कैन यूज डिटरमिनेंट्स मेथड टू फाइंड इनवर्स ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. पॉज द वीडियो टू नोट दिस डाउन. For the 15th problem, let us take this matrix as A. अब ये 3 by 3 matrix है, so the identity matrix will be also a 3 by 3 matrix. So first we'll make this element as 1 and by using this one we'll make these two corresponding elements 0. तो अब इसको 1 करने के लिए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसा होगा? अब यहाँ पे वी कैनॉट डू दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के R1 में R3 माइनस R1. अगर हमें इस टाइप का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना है तो हमें R1 में R1 माइनस R3 करना होगा. बट इन दिस केस अगर हम R1 माइनस R3 करते हैं सो दैट इज 2 माइनस 3 which is minus 1. So we don't want minus 1 here, we want 1 here. So उसके लिए what we can do, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पर भी 2 है, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So the transformation we can do here is R1 plus R2 minus R3. तो ये एलिमेंट हो जाएगा हमारा 1. Similarly for this also it will be minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 which is 1 and 3 plus 2 minus 2 which is 4. And same transformation for this matrix, it will be 1, 1 and minus 1. So by using this one we have to make this 2 as 0. So the transformation is simple, R2 minus 2R1. So this element becomes 0. यहाँ पर भी 2 minus 2 again ये 0 हो गया and 3 minus 8 it is minus 5. And same transformation for this matrix, it will be minus 2 minus 1 and 2. Again for this to be 0, the transformation must be R3 में R3 minus 3R1 which becomes 0. And for this it will be minus 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 5 and 2 minus 12 which becomes minus 10. Same transformation applying for this matrix, R3 becomes minus 3 and 4. अब यहाँ पे you can see that यहाँ पे दो zeros है और यहाँ पे एक single zero है. Now this element to be identity matrix, we have to form upper triangular matrix as 0. So अगर हम R2 और R3 को interchange करेंगे like this, we can form an upper triangular matrix as 0 and we can easily solve further. तो हमने यहाँ पर interchange किया तो हमें इस matrix में भी interchange करना होगा. And further to make this element as 1, we'll simply divide R2 and R1 with minus 1 by 5. So this element will be 1 and minus 10 divided by minus 5 is 2. Same minus 5 by minus 5 is 1. And similarly इस matrix में भी R2 and R3 को हम लोग minus 1 by 5 से multiply करेंगे. So this element becomes 1 and by using 1 we have to make here 0. So the transformation is simple. R2 में हमें transformation करना है which is R2 minus 2R3. This element becomes 0 and same transformation हम लोग करेंगे इस matrix में. So R2 becomes minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 0. Again to make this as 0, we'll simply do the transformation as R1 minus R2 and same transformation हम लोग इस matrix में भी करेंगे. So R1 becomes 6 by 5, 4 by 5 and minus 1. अब last बचा हमारा ये 4. We have to make this 4 as 0 by using R3. So the transformation becomes R1 minus 4R3 which makes this 0 and here the first row becomes minus 2 by 5, 0 and 3 by 5. So हमारा matrix A transform हो चुका है into an identity matrix. So hence our A inverse for this matrix A is this. You can pause the video to note this down. 16 प्रॉब्लम भी सेम है. अब यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हमारा 1 है. सो बाय यूजिंग दिस वन वी हैव टू मेक दीज टू एलिमेंट्स 0 एंड सेम ऑपरेशंस हम इस मैट्रिक्स में भी करेंगे. सो ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बाय योर ओन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस एंड देन क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर्स हियर. 17th क्वेश्चन भी एक 3x3 मैट्रिक्स है सेम. आप लोगों को ये खुद सॉल्व करना है, ये काफी इजी है. Moving for the 18th problem which is an MCQ which says matrices A and B will be inverse of each other only if ये चार ऑप्शंस दिए. हमने ये properties of inverse में पढ़ा था that A into A inverse is an identity matrix. So that means अगर A into B is equals to B into A is an identity matrix, then we can say that matrices A and B are inverse of each other. So therefore D is the correct answer. So that's it for today guys. We have covered the questions of exercise 3.4. If you have any doubt in any sum, you can rewind the video and see again. And मैंने काफी सारे सम्स आप लोगों को सेल्फ सॉल्विंग के लिए दिए हैं. इजी सम्स है, आप लोग इजीली उन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हो विदाउट एनी हेल्प. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व मिसलेनियस. अब ये चैप्टर मैट्रिसेस हमारा फिनिश होने आया है. द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर विच वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इज चैप्टर 4 डिटर्मिनेंट्स. To study determinants, you have to make your basics of matrices strong. क्योंकि अगर आपको matrices अच्छे से आता है तो determinants आपको easily आ जाएगा. So after solving miscellaneous for chapter 3, we'll summarize this chapter and start with our new chapter, determinants. So till then, practice all the previous topics and try to practice more and more different types of sums. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified for our every new video. And if you find our videos helpful or interesting, then do share with your friends. Stay safe and study well. See you in the next video.